Hello everyone, welcome to Best Kitchen. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my fried rice. So these are my ingredients. I have my carrots, my sweet corn, my green peas, my green beans, my green bell pepper, and of course my spring onions, seasoning and salt. My neatly fried liver. So these are the key ingredients for my fried rice. Let's get cooking. In my pot, I have my neatly washed wings, chicken wings. So now I'm going to add my onions. Be adding my salt, 1 cube of Maggie. Add my dry pepper. I'm also going to use fresh pepper in my fried rice, so that's why I'm using the dry one to steam my meat. Add little water. Stir. I'm going to be adding my thyme, a little bit of my thyme, and my curry powder. Stir that and cover to cook. Everyone, welcome back. So my meat is ready. I have my meat stock. So in my pot here I have my used oil that I just use in frying my fish and my chicken. I'm going to be using this to fry my rice. So I'm going to add my curry and my thyme and my curry. I'm going to stir. I'm going to let it fry out the aroma from the thyme and the curry. As you can see, it's bubbling, so I'm going to add my rice now. So I'm going to fry it on low heat. So as you can see, I'm giving that a very good stir. I'm just going to leave it for just a minute and then I'll add my meat stock. I'll be adding my chicken stock. I'm going to be adding salt, adding 2 cups of water. I'm going to give that a good stir and I'll cover it to boil. Second pot, I'm going to be frying my vegetables. So I'm going to add my oil. I'm going to add salt. Adding my onions and my spring onion. Adding my fresh pepper. So I just added my fresh pepper. I'm going to stir. Adding my bell pepper. I just added my green bell pepper and my green beans. Adding my carrots. And I'm going to give that a good mix. I'm going to add my cube of Maggie, our thyme, and our curry powder. Give that a good mix. I'm going to be adding my green peas and sweet corn, and I'll just off my fire, but I'll stir just once so that we can check on the rice. So I'm just going to off this. So I just give that a good stir. I'm just going to off so that the heat is just going to cook it while we check on the rice. Wow, so as you can see, our rice is boiling well. I'm just going to stir that. Wow, so as you can see, our rice is almost ready. So right now I'm going to be adding our fried veggies. You can see I just added our fried vegetable. So I'm going to just give this a good mix. So I'm going to add our fried liver, and I'm going to give that one more stir, and then I'm going to cover. So as you can see, our fried rice is ready. You can see my fried rice is ready with my fried croaker fish. So for my salad, I have cabbage, carrots, and boiled egg. You can see our delicious fried rice is ready, and I can't wait to just devour this. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you all in my next video. I love you.